So finally, I just fixed the issue now for the back line. So let's see final section. So I think this is the final section. I fixed some points, and I added some points. So this is the best thing I can do, and we have to run the steady state flow and see it's completely done with no issue. And see the river, 3D river. This is the 3D showing here. Just by the way, I assumed here discharge is like 600. So if you like assuming more, you will see, this the blue color, the blue polygon will be maybe increasing. I covered all these area around the rivers. So it's the 3D for the river. And, I have to make like a time series. This is showing for the unsteady state here. Sorry. This is also, we have to try to input for unsteady state flow. This is the final output showing the discharge, the critical flow, the slope of the river. Now this is the slope of river. This is the elevation. This is the right elevation because we already like extracted from the 10. Here the Q total, I assume it was 600. I changed it to the 400. This is the velocity in the channel by Usman equation. This is the flow area. This is the top width for this river. This is the Freud number here. We can build. You can like just if you want to take this informations, you can print it. And for how many pages here, the size of page, you just hit your print, and, or see the profile. This is another profile for the river. Anyway, here is showing the warning message or error. If you have to check your modeling, it is correct or not, or you need some modifications. So here the main channel distance for the river. Sorry. Here is the distance for channel with plotted with the velocity showing here. The maximum velocity in meter per second is like more than 2.25. This is for the profile. I did 3 profiles here. see this is the distance for the channel or the flow, I mean for the river. It's like more than like 30,000 meter. So it's like 30 kilometer. After we complete this modeling, we have to export this data also and return it back to the GIS to complete the floodplain. So the export data, this is like export GIS data. Press this one, and which things you want to export it: the velocity and shear stress with stream powers. And here we just export the bank stations, reach length, we need these also, and manning. There is no like structure as I said before, so we leave this. We don't need this. And check the final export file will be which, I mean, locations for the saving location. So we'll keep it the same one, or maybe I'll change it. So I'll make a new folder here. It's Georas GIS. So Georas to GIS. Then export data. Okay, so it's done now. Next tutorial will be learn how can like import this data to the GIS.